In our LG tumble dryers, we use the auto cleaning condenser. This automatically cleans the condenser 1 to 3 times per cycle. This saves your customer hassle and time of cleaning it themselves. Many of your customers don't want the hassle of cleaning their own condenser, and some of them may not know they have to clean it at all. So having an auto cleaning condenser means that it completely takes away that worry. And because it cleans every cycle, it means that your customer gets the best drying performance. Because the auto cleaning condenser is built into the tumble dryer, you'll have to demonstrate this to a customer by asking some lifestyle questions. Ask them if they already have a tumble dryer at home and how often they clean the condenser, if they do at all. Then explain to them that the benefit of having an auto cleaning condenser is that there's less build-up of fluff, grime and dirt on the condenser, which will give them more even and consistent drying performance. Traditional tumble dryers will have just a regular condenser. This condenser can get blocked by fluff, dirt and grime, and this means the air can't travel through properly, which gives the customer inconsistent drying performance. With the LG auto cleaning condenser, it means that worry is taken away as it cleans every cycle, meaning your customer will get consistent drying after every use.